Animals that fly. A flying animal is an animal that has evolved to fly. Such animals like sparrow, parrot, bee, pigeon, butterfly, fly. These animals can fly. Sparrow. Sparrows are small birds. They are between 11 and 18 centimeters long. They are usually brown and gray. They have short tail and small strong beaks. Most sparrows eat seeds or small insects. Next flying animal is parrot. Parrots are popularly green in color and have a curved beak. Parrot can fly at very high speed. They eat flower, seeds and fruits. The next flying animal is bee, that is honey bee. Bees can fly up to 15 miles per hour. The bees are so noisy because they beat their wings. Honeybees live in colonies. Next flying animal is pigeon. Pigeon is a bird. Pigeon is a beautiful bird which is commonly found as a pet bird. Pigeon can fly at height. Next flying animal is an insect, that is butterfly. A butterfly is a flying insect with a small body and large colorful wings.